Igbos in Niger Republic protest against proposal military action by Tinubu-led ECOWAS. My people, welcome back to Balabas G's. If today is the first day you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and follow us and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go over there, everything is happening there. My people, as una see am, na so we bring am come today. They say Igbos wey dey live for Niger Republic, which we know as we dey call as Niger, wey dey live for there, they say the people wey they dey live with na be Niger people, that they are okay with them and they are living fine with the people over there. Say this man wey they call Tinubu, he wan come put katakata for inside them, say they no go gree. Now they took to streets, they protest. They say they no want war in Niger. Say they are living in peace with Niger people and other Nigerians where they live for there as well. They go ahead and say that they will not allow any war to happen for Niger. Say if it happens, say they go stay with Niger, bomber to bomber, they no go gree. So the Igbos in Niger Republic, which is Niger Republic, say send a clear message to President Tinubu, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He said that we are the people living here. We don't want war in Niger Republic. My people, I'm going to play the video where they are exercising their anger, saying it the way it is in their heart. So you are going to watch the short video. When we come back, we'll continue the topic.
We don't want war. We want peace.
Welcome back. As you have watched the short video, Igbos are the most peaceful people that you can ever live with. Other tribes are peaceful, but Igbos are the most peaceful people you can ever live with. If it is other tribe, maybe going through what Igbos are passing through today in Nigeria, it will not be so easy like that. The level of the war that will be there will be more heavier than what is happening all over the world today. So the Igbos over there are speaking out their voice and say that they don't want war in Niger Republic, that what they need is peace. And they also say that only thing that will solve this problem is dialogue. For people that don't understand Igbo very well, but I think the guy used English as well when he's talking. So he said that what will end all these things is dialogue. They don't want war. Means that they are living there peacefully with people of Niger Republic. So guys, thank you for watching this short video. Thank you so much, and also go and subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us here so that we are bringing it back to back as it is hot.